Need it fixed? Service with a Smile repairs electronics. On the phone at 836-0454. On the web at servicewithasmile.com.
Hey, you've clicked on to the ABC 3340 Weather Extreme video. This is for Wednesday morning, the 18th day of July. And it's really a new day and really an old forecast. A blanket of very moist air covers Alabama early this morning. Let's go right to some of the Skycam images. These captured at a rather insane hour, about 5 o'clock. And hey, look at the fog there. It's our Coleman Skycam. Down below, that's U.S. Highway 278. A lot of ground fog at that spot. We'll go to our Shelby County camera. This is coming from Inverness on top of the Wingate Inn overlooking U.S. 280. Nice and quiet out there this morning. And from the western side of the state, there's a look at Tuscaloosa, looking east from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. Some low clouds around, but not much on the radar this morning. Here's water vapor satellite imagery, and you can see once again that feed of moisture from eastern and southern Texas right up through the deep south, and a big convective blow up there north of here over Illinois and Indiana. But really, I just don't think the weather today will be a lot different from the last couple of days. We'll see scattered showers and storms once again. The most organized active weather will stay up north in the southern edge of the westerlies, running from South Dakota and Nebraska over to Ohio and Indiana. Also a slight risk of severe weather around the middle Atlantic coast, including Baltimore, Philadelphia, and Wilmington. Day 2, we got a cold front beginning to drop south, and we got a slight risk from near Kansas City to New York City. And that front will be drifting down this way by Friday. Now, here's the QPF map. This is the expected rain across the country through Sunday evening, and the heavier rains showing up over the southern half of the state. And there is an increasing school of thought that dry air just might reach North Alabama this weekend, cutting off the showers for a few days. We'll show you that in a moment. Quickly, weather in the tropics. Pretty decent-looking tropical wave coming through the Windward Islands. We'll sure keep an eye on that. And then out there in the eastern Atlantic, the wave train coming off the coast of Africa, beginning to be a little more active. And certainly as we get closer to August, we pay close attention to that as we get into the Cape Verde season out there. But again, nothing organized right now. Okay, model output. This is the OZ run of the GFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. And this is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. And we've got a nice trough over the eastern part of Canada, ridge over the western part, and a big trough just off the Pacific Northwest coast. And underneath all of that, around here, we still have a maritime tropical air mass. So scattered showers and storms will likely form during the daytime heating process. Chance of any one spot getting wet today, about 1 in 3. Tomorrow, the model looks a little drier as the attention focuses on that front up north. But still, we'll mention the chance of scattered showers and storms. And Friday, the pattern begins to amplify. The trough digs over the eastern United States, and at the surface, that front at midday Friday should be near the Kentucky-Tennessee border. And you would have to believe that should give us an increase in the coverage of showers and storms by Friday afternoon and maybe Friday night. And then Saturday, as we start the weekend, again, the GFS now has been persistent for about 4 runs in a row. Big trough over the east, a heat bubble right on top of Denver. And where's that front? Well, by golly, at midday Saturday, it's got the thing at Montgomery. Now, this is not as far south as we saw yesterday, and I'm not totally buying into it yet, but I think we do need to scale back the showers over the weekend for the northern half of the state. And then Sunday, if this is correct, would be just bone dry. So once again, we'll start to scale back that chance of rain, and it could very well be by the time we get to Sunday, we'll be drier with lower humidity and cooler nights. Monday of next week looks fairly dry, and Tuesday of next week looks pretty dry. So if the model is right, the shower machine will be shut down for a few days beginning this weekend. Now let's go trolling and see if the showers come back. This is valid the 29th of July. Westerlies upper at Canada. Around here, a maritime tropical air mass in place, and that would suggest a chance of scattered showers and storms. The end of the forecast period, this is the 2nd of August. And once again, a flat ridge all across the deep south, and that would probably suggest that a few scattered showers and storms. And hey, the Gulf looks a little nervous, doesn't it? We'll be watching that carefully down there as we get into August for sure. That's it for the Morning Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video posted here by 3:30 this afternoon. And yep, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.